Hi, my name is Mari, and this is Music 100. I just wanted to go over how this course is going to be laid out really quick in case you haven't played around with the modules or seen what is laid out here in the course overview. I just wanted to go over it really quickly just so you have some point of reference. This tab is very important, so if you haven't read the course overview yet, please take the time to do so. I have laid out the course time, or we're not going to meet at a certain time. This is, of course, all online, but the duration of the course, the textbook you will be needing, and these are the exam dates. And please keep in mind that these are the dates I chose from the calendar according to the book. So we might be off by a day or two. This is where the announcement tab up here is going to be very important to you. So if there are any changes, I will make announcements and make sure you are all aware. But for now, these are the exam times that you need to be aware of. Projects, I have 2 projects coming up that are due this semester. And if you look down here, where it says Project 1, Project 2. And these are 2 projects that I do every time I teach this class. They are really fun, and of course, being on an online platform, we can't really share with the classroom, but I plan to do this in a different way that we're going to be sharing in a discussion. So if you are aware of these due dates, please write them down, October 16th and December 11th, and here is what I expect from each project. That being said, the syllabus is here in the syllabus tab. You could download it as a PDF. You could also, I have laid out all the assignments that I will be releasing soon. The other tab, like I mentioned, you need to be aware of is the announcements tab. Here I will make announcements coming up with upcoming assignments, with upcoming date changes. So if you have any questions, as always, please message me in the Canvas app right here in the inbox, and I will get back to you within a day. One more thing I'd like to mention is I will be having online office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 to noon, meaning I will be definitely on the computer at those times. So if you need to ask me a question that you need to know right away, that's a good time to do it. So, and as always, you can always message me, and chances are I'm online. So make sure that you message me through the app and not through your email. Sometimes it gets lost in the shuffle. Thanks a lot. And as I said, ask me if you have any questions.